This video is about material storytelling and how designers use materials to tell brand stories. For example, many years ago, we worked on the House of Marley with the sons and daughters of Bob Marley. And what we wanted to do is translate the lyrics of the songs of Bob Marley into products and materials that really tell the story of being kind to the planet, being kind to the people around you, and influencing others that way. The way we did it is by using FSC certified woods, recycled aluminum, plastics that were recycled as well, and fabric that came from recycled plastic bottles.
Additionally, we look at a brand like Nike. Nike has a huge initiative around sustainability. They are changing the paradigm around what a shoe should look like. Suddenly we're starting to include imperfections that are naturally part of the recycling or upcycling process, and doing it in a way where suddenly these imperfections are really unique and beautiful and ownable by their brand.
What's wonderful about brands like Nike taking initiatives in sustainability of this sort is that they will influence smaller companies into doing the same thing. Another brand that we worked on is Nummy. Nummy is trying to take toxicity outside of the home. You know, when you have young children at home and they are growing up, you don't want toxins in the products that the parents surround themselves with to have an impact on their development. So using materials like FDA-approved, baby-proof, silicone or glass or different types of wood will be a lot better than using, BPA plastics, for example. At Nonfiction, we work a lot on aerospace projects, and as you can imagine, the performance requirements of materials up there are very different from the ones down here, right? Resistance to radiation, to impact, the weight to volume ratio can have a life or death impact on the mission. So thanks to a material library, we can make decisions that really inform the future of space travel.
One of the really exciting areas that I'm loving about material science is this living material story, right? Like, we're starting to look at things that aren't just static materials. We're looking at materials that are self-healing, that are what we call living materials. Maybe the architecture of a building is suddenly changing over time. And this is more than just the patina of a material surface that's changing, but maybe it's reacting to the UV in the atmosphere. Maybe it's reacting to the temperature over time. And so these materials are really allowing us to do things that we've never seen before.
The takeaway of this video is that material science has taken great leaps in showing us the possibilities of renewable materials and beautiful storytelling. What we need to do as designers is close that gap and really taking those materials and putting them out in the world and inspiring other industries, other companies, other people to do the same thing. And that's all to, make the world a better place for humans and for the planet.